morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.7% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has moved into the overbought area. Bitcoin has gained 10.3% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the oversold zone. The price of gold has added 2.5% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has plunged into the oversold area. The price of crude oil has gained 2.5% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has shifted into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Wall Street's main indices were set to gain on increased optimism over a coronavirus stimulus bill, while an unexpected rise in weekly jobless claims pointed to further economic stress from the COVID-19 response. Bitcoin set a fresh all-time high after rising almost 6% to $22,584 just a day after smashing the $20,000 milestone for the first time. The dollar fell to its lowest in more than 2 years against major currencies as U.S. lawmakers wrangled over stimulus details and the Federal Reserve stuck to its current policy guns.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The UK GfK consumer confidence will be released at 0:01 GMT, the Japanese BOJ interest rate decision at 2:30 GMT, the German PPI at 700 GMT, the US current account at 13:30 GMT, the Canadian retail sales at 13:30 GMT, and the Canadian budget balance at 1600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.